Alright guys, I came to this recreation area here in Del Rio, Texas, and I'm about to change the air filter on this van, and I'll explain to you guys later, but I'm fighting the daylight right now because the sun's going to be setting soon and I really want to get this done. So hopefully I can set this camera up and show you guys me changing it. Here is the air filter that I'm going to be changing. Here's the new one. The old one. I think for ease of things, I'm going to remove this. Oh, I got the wrong screwdriver. Hold on. How do I get it? over. There we go. All right. Show you guys. There it sits. Alright, so now we just need to push the cover back on it. I was told is the hardest part. Because you have to get, boy, this pink shirt's not going to be pink, but it's so hard to
But my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling. 'Cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no.
It's not
It ain't
seeing.
easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah. Gonna tell you one more time. I can't run, I can't hide,
Oh, yes.
I can't stay in no more. No, I can't run, I can't
All right.
hide,
Did it.
I can't stay in no more. Oh no, 'cause when the devil's out to get you, you better pray and run slow. Oh, I'm gonna tell you one more time, baby. When the devil's out to get you, you better pray and run slow. Oh no.
Tight. And we put the windshield washer back on. Double check it. Yeah, it's black. Alright, good to go. Alright. I just busted my knuckle, guys. Changing the air filter. But there's clips right here. You just push them down, it unlocks it. And then one screw to loosen this up to take it off. And then this just pops out of this little holder. And then when you put it back in, you have to make sure you get the, there's a male end that goes into this female end, and there's one on each side. That was the hardest part, actually. Yeah, it's all in there. I need to go get a band-aid for my finger and my shirt. Look at that. Don't wear pink when working on a vehicle. But you guys, I'm gonna go try to get some pictures of that bridge over here. Anyway. So this is where I came to change my air filter. There's a little campground here, and it is $10 a night. And it looks like it's pretty full. There's an assortment. I don't think you could probably get like big class A's or anything in here, but there's truck campers, there's little travel trailers, there's little Sprinter vans. Oh, I guess, well, there is a big class A right there. Yeah, $10 a night. It doesn't look like there's any hookups. There are pit toilets, and it looks like it's a self-pay type of thing. So I'll just drive you the rest of the way out here. I'm not sure if this is a reservoir or if it's a lake. I don't remember. We'll see what the sign says on the way out of here. Anyway, guys, the reason I changed the air filter is because the van has not been getting the proper gas mileage, and the owner wants to have it taken to a dealership. So I'm going home next weekend for my youngest son's birthday, and I'm going to take it to the shop, and he wasn't sure how long it was going to be in there, like maybe a week or so. And I just started to make money these last couple weeks. Oh, I want to get a picture of some of these cactus. And I really don't want to be out a week, so someone suggested to change the air filter to see if that helps. So I wanted to do that and see how the gas mileage is the next few days. That way, hopefully I'm not without the van for that long, because I don't want to go without the van for a week. That's a lot of money I'm missing out on. I'm starting to be able to gain my savings account, and yeah, I don't want to lose money. I don't want it to start dwindling, because I have that car payment now, you know. So anyway, I think there's a sign somewhere. I probably need to put directions in so I know where in the heck I'm going. And I think I might have passed all the cactus I wanted to take a picture of. But yeah, I thought I would change the air filter, because if it's a simple fix like that, that would be marvelous. Also, though, the air conditioner isn't working. I do have to take it in for that, but they should be able to figure that out in a day. I mean, and the wheel needs changed. But other than that, it shouldn't have to be in there very long if this air filter does the trick. Fingers crossed it was just a dirty air filter. I'm not sure how. I think I have dirt on my face. I'm hoping that dirt comes out of my pink shirt. But anyway, guys, I'll tell you the name of this place here in a second when we get up to the sign. I didn't think it was this long a drive out of here, but I suppose it is. Oh, and I was closest as I've ever been to Mexico border on my delivery down here to Del Rio. If you go to my Instagram, actually that was on my story, so it's probably gone by now, but I posted a real short clip. My delivery was right across the street from Mexico. It was the building, and then it was the road, the fence, and then on the other side was Mexico. So I thought that was really cool. I got to be the closest I've ever been to Mexico. So I'm going to get out here, though, and take a picture of these cactus right over here. And I will pick you guys back up here in a second and show you the sign. Alright, I got my pictures taken that I wanted. Let's see if I can straighten up a little bit. Oh, I got a car behind me. I wanted to stop at this sign. Dang it. Let me pull over here so I can go around. So I'm going to show you guys the sign. Quick. Amistad National Recreation Area, Governor's Landing Campground. You guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see this sign, but it was the strangest thing. It says, attention, cigarettes brought into Texas without Texas tax stamp are illegal controller of public accounts. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a picture of it because of the sun behind it.